What's up mga
Yan,
J-Vlog?
Leo
Welcome ulit sa
Bernardo.
panibagong video. So, hindi tayo kay Ate Mayet ng CMB Gadgets sa stall XB02. So, iPhones ang ating tatakin dito kay Madam, si best friend. Let's
Full
go.
price.
Dito tayo kay Bossing Mayet ng CMB Gadgets sa stall XB02. Second floor, Green Hills, San Juan City. Mainit na hapon para sa inyong lahat. Kay Mayet, hello, good evening, goodbye, and Happy Chinese New Year. Hello.
Hello, Happy New Year po to all of you from CMB Gadgets and Kenya Telecom family.
Na-15 na, nag-Happy New Year pa rin.
Still,
Ah.
Happy New Year. Kasi January, ano ba tawag mo? Happy. Ano ba sa?
Birthday niya na.
Yes, birthday ko na on January 18.
Saan tayo?
Siyempre, pag bibili kayo dito sa CMB Gadgets and Kenya Telecom, meron tayong mga freebies. Ayan, marami ang freebies natin. Meron tayong full package number 1, which is yung gift box. Optional na lang po yun kung gusto niyo po yung gift box set. Ang laman po ng gift box set natin is charger na 20 watts, magnetic charger, wireless na AirPods, and wireless po na power bank. Plus, meron po yung 5 case. And then full package number 2 natin, meron po kayong 5 case. Ayan, 5 casing, 5 case. Ayan, 5 case, tempered glass, AirPods, and meron na pong original yan na adapter, saka charger po. Ayan. Ito yung full package number 2 natin. And then, ang basic package po natin is 2 case, tempered glass, and charger only.
Go, diba?
Okay, siyempre hindi lang po previous ang makukuha nyo dito, basta followers po namin kayo, automatic po na cashback po kayo. Ibig sabihin ng cashback po, discount. Discount na 500 pesos po sa lahat po ng mga followers natin sa TikTok and Facebook at sa mga nakasubscribe po sa ating YouTube channel account. And syempre, mag-follow na po kayo sa mga hindi pa nakafollow dyan. Follow nyo na po ang FB page ng CMB Gadgets at saka TikTok account ng CMB Gadgets dahil mamimili po ako ng 2 hanggang 3 na lucky winner natin na mabibigyan ng iPad po ng second hand iPad po, okay? Kailangan ang goal po natin is naka 100 po tayo. 100k followers po tayo sa FB page saka sa TikTok account. So, yun lang. Sa mga gusto din po mag-visit dito sa ating shop, located po yung physical store natin dito sa Tiangge, store number XB02, second floor, Center Mall, Green Hills, San Juan City. Then meron po ang permanent shop ang CMB Gadgets at Kenya Telecom. Third floor, V-Mall, Green Hills, San Juan City. So, yun, start price po tayo sa iPhone
11. 10R.
XR muna tayo. Limited stock po tayo ngayon ng mga 11, ng mga base model na lang for short. XR 128 gig 10,000 full package. Basic package is 9,500. Less cashback 500 is 9,000.
9,000 pesos for the iPhone 10R. Apple A12 Bionic chip. At syempre, okay na okay pa rin itong i-purchase ngayon 2026. Medyo nagkakaubusan nga kasi napakamura lang. At until iOS 18 pa to, pwede pa. Matagal pa yung iOS 18 ha, kasi last year lang yan nawala. And again, processor itself, it can handle pa yung mga games na, yung mga ML, COD. Genshin nga nakaka-handle pa to, pero syempre lowest at battery lang talaga ang problem natin. Sa gaming, of course. Next is iPhone 11, bossing.
iPhone 11, 128 gig is 13,000. Full package, basic package is 12,500. Less cashback is 12,000. iPhone 11 256 gig is 14,000. Full package, basic package is 13,500. Less cashback 500. 13,000.
13,000. iPhone 11. So iPhone 11 is powered ng Apple A13 Bionic chip with dual rear camera system, 12 megapixel main and 12 megapixel ultra wide camera. It has a 3,100 mAh battery capacity, 6.1 inches liquid retina IPS LCD display, Apple A13 Bionic chip, and it is support ng iOS 26. Napakaganda, very convenient pa rin gamitin ng camera performance ng iPhone 11 dahil when it comes at shooting ng resolution, 4K resolution, rear or front facing camera, and it is a better option na affordable ang iPhone 11 compared sa iPhone 10R kasi ang hinahabol ng iba is of course the ultra wide camera system. Aluminum frame body with glass frame at support ng Qi Power for wireless charging. Next is iPhone 12.
Ayan. Ang price naman ng iPhone 12 natin is sa 128. iPhone 12 128 is 14,500 full package. Basic package is 14,000. Less cashback 500 is 13,500. Super duper mura na. Then iPhone 12 to 560 is 16,000. Full package basic coverage is 15,500. Less cashback 500 15,000.
Ayan. So kung naghanap kayo ng murang 5G, of course, iPhone 12 is the best na affordable 5G version ngayon kasi ito po yung unang-unang 5G na Apple. So ito yung pandemic iPhone, Apple A14 Bionic chip, smaller processor than the Apple A13 Bionic chip, dual rear camera system, 12 megapixel main and 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, at ito po yung kauna-unahang base model ng iPhone na nagkaroon ng Super Retina XDR OLED display. Next is iPhone 13.
Ayan. Ang iPhone 13 natin, 128GB, bigay ko po sa inyo ng 18,500. Full package, basic package is 18,000. Less cashback 100 is 17,500. iPhone 13, 256GB is 20,500. Full package, basic package is 20,000. Less cashback 100 is 19,500 only.
Pinaka the best option para sa iPhone 13 is of course the cinematic mode. Ito po yung kauna-unahang base model na merong cinematic mode na very useful sa mga content creators natin. And meron tong Apple A15 Bionic chip na napaka-powerful na processor na pwedeng gamitin for games. Especially AAA games, kayang-kaya pa rin ng Apple A15 Bionic chip. And meron tong dual rear camera system, 12 megapixel main and 12 megapixel ultra wide camera. As you can see, when comparing sa lens ng iPhone 12, mas bigger ang lens ng iPhone 13 for low light shot. Mas better ang low light shot ng iPhone 13 of course. And when it comes sa front facing camera, 12 megapixel as well. Support nito ang 12 megapixel rear front facing camera, 4K video recording. Even sa rear camera nito is 4K video recording. Aluminum body, glass back cover, support ng Qi power, and of course with NFC rin itong iPhone 13. So when it comes sa battery capacity, meron tong battery capacity na 3,100 plus milliampere battery, at ito na yung bagong version or the new iPhone 11 kasi yung iPhone 11 noong year 2023 napakabenta nun, at ito na ang pumalit sa iPhone 11 ng iPhone 13 na mas cheaper na po at best ng kunin ng karamihan ng consumers natin. Next, iPhone 14.
Ayan, meron tayong iPhone 14, 128GB, 21.5, full package, basic package is 21,000. Less cashback 500 is 20,500.
So kung naghanap kayo ng, for example, wala ng iPhone 13, iPhone 14 is okay rin na option kasi same lang sila ng specifications ng iPhone 13. Walang ganong pinagkaiba. Ang advantage lang ng iPhone 13 is the bigger lens din. As you can see, when comparing sa iPhone 13, mas malaki ang lente ng iPhone 14, meaning better aperture, better in low light performance, at isa lang ang RAM netong, lamang ng RAM netong iPhone 13 sa iPhone 14. Parang ang processor neto is the Apple A15 na makikita nyo sa iPhone 13 Pro Max. Isipin nyo na lang na itong iPhone 14 ay ang loob niya is iPhone 13 Pro Max. Next.
And then meron din tayong iPhone 14 Plus, 128GB, 24,000 full package, basic package is 23,500. Less cashback 500 is 23,000.
Ayan, kung naghanap kayo ng napakakunat na battery, iPhone 14 Plus is good to go dahil ka-battery capacity niya rin ang iPhone 14 Pro Max. Bigger screen of course, 6.7 inches Super Retina XDR OLED display, 12 megapixel main and 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, at ito yung first ever iPhone na Plus version po. Kaya napakaganda ng performance sa battery netong smartphone na to. Legit yan dahil gamit ko rin ng iPhone 14 Plus. Next, iPhone 16 Plus.
Yeah, meron akong iPhone 16 Plus, 256GB, 45,000 full package, basic package is 44,500. Less cashback benefits is 44,000.
So iPhone, iPhone 16 Plus, Apple, Apple A18 chipset. So when it comes sa build quality nito, same pa rin na aluminum. And syempre ito yung first ever na merong capture button. Ito yung parang naging mabenta rin ng 2024 dahil sa pink niya. Napakabenta na itong pink version ng iPhone 16. Kaya kunin nyo na to dahil napakamura na lang sa CMB Gadgets. iPhone 16, boss.
Ayan, iPhone 16, 128GB, 37,000. Full package, basic package is 36,500. Less cashback 536,000. 16 natin is under Apple warranty pa.
Yes, when it
Good
comes
as new.
sa processor nito, powerhouse Apple A18. It can handle AAA games. Even yung mga console-like games ng Resident Evil, kayang-kaya ng Apple A18 mga idol. So when it comes sa optimization, performance, Dito na tayo sa iPhone 16. Napakatagal din nito malobat even though 3,000 plus mAh siya. Pero kung nag integrate as one ng software optimization and of course the battery capacity ng iPhone, napakaganda ng performance yan comparing sa mga malalaking battery capacity ng Android.
Second hand, meron pa rin tayong binibigay na warranty na 7 to 14 days replacement warranty for factory defect only. Plus, meron po tayong 3 month service warranty only. No warranty for physical damage, water damage, and LCD damage. Siyempre, sa pag-upgrade, di tayo nagbabawal. Mag-upgrade po kayo as long as you want. Make sure nyo lang po talaga na non-capacity internet at saka dapat full charge po kayo. At sa mga nagtatanong din kung pwede kami magpa same day delivery. Yes, meron tayo niyan, same day delivery or cash on delivery within Metro Manila or nearby through our trusted rider. Delivery fee not fee. Plus, meron din po tayong shipping or nagpapadala po tayo via LBC nationwide, Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Shipping fee not free. Ang mode of payment natin dito is pwede tayo sa GCash, bank transfer or cash. And pwede rin po tayo sa credit card. Then sa installment option naman po tayo is pwede tayo sa credit card, Gives, Pay Later, and Skyro or Bill-in. So yun po, bumisita na po kayo dito sa ating physical store, CMB Gadgets by Kenyan Telecoms. See you guys! Bye!